Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaya and today's video will be a makeup tutorial on my Pink Friday inspired look. Shout out to Nicki and let's roll tape. Alright, so this look is actually gonna be, it's not even gonna be all that difficult because what I've noticed that Nicki doesn't really do too much. Her liner is probably the most dramatic thing about the makeup. Her liner is what really like takes it over the top. She always has a nice lip and liner, and then the rest is actually it plays off her features so effortlessly. So not a whole bunch that I'm gonna do as far as like eyeshadows and playing that like that much. It's really just gonna be a focus on getting that liner right, and then from there we gotta put the the hair. Obviously, I wish I think I still do have my pink wig, so I might throw that on. And to do my brows today, I'm using my Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil in the color in the color 5. I am going to outline and carve out the shape to make it more defined with the NARS Complete Concealer in the color Medium Dark 3 Amande. The consistency and the color of this concealer is what makes it so great for me to use when carving out my brows. I just feel like she is not too loose or watered, but she's not too thick. I'm going to use my Sephora brush 57, my Pro Airbrush Detail brush. Sorry, it's a lot of words. To blend out this concealer on my eyebrows, around my eyebrows. Y'all, I found my pink wig, so we are definitely about to get into it. So the palette I'm gonna use is going to be my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. I love this palette because it has an array of browns and neutral tones that I can use pretty easily. This is the Morphe M332 brush. There we go. And the first color that I'm going to go in with is going to be this color right here. I don't have the names of the shadows, but it's the third one in the first row from the left. So, and we're just gonna put her all over the lid. Just buff her right on in. The brush should spread it pretty easily because it's like a looser bristled brush to really spread the product out. And you see, this is all you gotta do. Like, just, it's a natural color, it's a natural tone, so it's not going to take over much, especially with this pink wig. I really don't need to do too much. Okay, and one of the most important parts of the makeup, the liner. Today I'm gonna go in with my NYX liner, Epic Ink liner in the color Black. So this liner is really, really good at just precision of me, just having a better grasp on that part of it. So I start with just covering my lash line like this, but because hers is just so dramatic, I'm gonna start to build on that. Like, see how much of the lid it takes up? It takes up quite a bit. Perfect. Look at that. So that is the eyeliner. We're gonna move into lashes. I'm gonna use these, and then the glue I'm gonna use is the Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive in black from Envy. Okay, lashes are on and they are extremely extra, but I think because of the liner, it's not as extra as it doesn't come across as extra as they really are, because they are. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face. So to prep the face, I am going to add my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I really feel like a Barb with this pink wig on. It really gives Barbie. Okay, but anyways, foundation is going to be NARS in the color Dark 3 Benares. So I don't know why I always gotta look at that, because I've used it so many times in my makeup, but I always gotta look. And babe, I do a half a pump on one side and a half a pump on the other. Like, you can't even see how many pumps I use, but that's how much I use. I don't use a ton of foundation anymore. Just a little bit of NARS goes a long way. So I've learned to not focus so much on putting a lot of foundation and just making sure that I'm putting enough to fully cover my face in an even tone. But as it relates to stuff like under my eyes, I don't really go under my eyes, because I know I'm putting concealer there, and I feel like I have a better application process when I'm not having to pile on too much product. And for concealer, I'm going in with my Juvia's concealer in the color number 9. All right, and now we're gonna use a sponge to blend this in. I'm shooting a TikTok like at the same time, and it's just a little tad bit awkward. But if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow your girl on TikTok at her name Kaya. All right, so now we are going to bronze the face. For mine, my cream bronze is actually a foundation stick from Hourglass. It's in the color Chestnut. And then I use the excess on the bridge of my nose, right on the sides. I don't even find the need to like draw it in anymore. It don't even, I think it's fine like this. Thought I heard my phone, but actually my phone is right in front of me, so it couldn't have been my phone. That's weird. All right, now we're gonna go into liquid blush, and the combination on me that I've been liking lately are these two lip stains from Sephora. They are in the colors 79 and 67. Huh, that's funny. These are lip stains, but if you watch my Grinch makeup tutorial, I explained, these colors I like so much, and it's hard for me to find colors, in the actual liquid blushes. There are a lot more liquid blushes to choose from on the market these days, but I mean, I already have these, so, and I pretty much like them. So I start with the peachy toned one. It's in 79 first up here, and then I bring the pink one out, put that here. But yeah, if you watched, I'm probably not going to explain it again, but if you watched my Grinch makeup tutorial, you will already know the story behind why I chose lip stains over the blush, the actual liquid blushes. Because I'm gonna have pink hair, I don't want to go too pink. So the powder that I'm gonna overlay on top of my blush is actually gonna be from the Juvia's Volume 1. Blushed Rouge palette. It's gonna be the orange color. You see it? It's still pink, but it's not the baby doll pink. But I think what I'm gonna do is go in with my translucent medium deep one. Yeah, I'm gonna do translucent medium deep as the setting powder of choice for this look. But I am gonna go over this with my translucent just my regular translucent one, which is actually super bright for me, but I like it a little under my eyes because it makes it brighter. And I'm gonna put this right under my eye and concentrate it there. You see? I feel like it's right here. Once I feel like it's blended with the medium deep, then I'll take my brush and go through that. So the last powder is going to be the finishing powder, and I am out of my big one, but I have a small one that I usually keep in my purse of the Charlotte Tilbury in the color Deep 4. I don't take it under my eyes. I take it everywhere but under my eyes. Okay, I forgot to spray my face, but it's fine. We're gonna spray it right now, and this is gonna be the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. Is my spray of choice these days. Girl, this little wig is so tight, but she's gonna do what needs to be done, and I appreciate that. So for the lips, we are gonna go in with our NYX soft matte lip cream. I'm gonna go in with Dubai first. Now Nicki's lips, I don't understand it. I think it's the way that they do the makeup around her lips or something. I don't know, because them bright colors without a liner, without a dark liner, let me say. Let me specify. I just can't do it. I can't. Then we are going to go on top of with London. I think my battery going dead. Okay, we're back. Pinky's back. So like I said, we're going in with London NYX soft matte over top, and gonna try to blend them in like so. We are going to go on top, well, we're gonna line with a dark brown liner, so let's do that first. Pretty girl. I just like a little bit of a darker upper lip, like Shigo from Kim Possible. Oh, that was a baddie. Okay, so I just extend my liner on my, like, half of my lip, of my upper lip. I don't know why, I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. All right, ladies. My outfit is on. This is the finished makeup. Oh, girl, I am loving it. And it ain't even Friday, but it's Barbie. I love it. I hope you guys love this look as well. You know, if you made it through all the way, please leave a heart in the comment section. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.